Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Power Talk with Archana. On the third day of Happiness Week, we will be taking you through what can make you happy at work. What are the things you need to do so you're happy at work with your employer, with your colleagues? With everything going online, how are you making your virtual world at work a happier place? Let's talk and let's discuss this more with Shubha. Hi, Shubha. How are you doing?
Great, I'm doing really great. Really loving talking to you. So,
Ever happy. I'm a born happy person and I love spreading happiness all across. Lovely, Shubha. So let's talk about our work and happiness at work. What are your thoughts?
okay, now work is very important and inseparable part of our lives, Archana, because we have to give in our 8 to 10 hours in a day for work. Now, if you're not going to be happy doing what you're doing, it's going to bring down a lot of your divine energy, your internal energy, and it's going to suck us off all of that. And that's not going to make us feel very happy, is it? So, my humble suggestion is always look within before you start your day. Always look within. Think about the work that you are doing and create a beautiful positive vibe around it. You
Yeah.
have to create that in your system. Create a very positive thought, create that energy that makes you feel lovely about your bosses, your colleagues, so on and so forth. Number one. Number two, any negativity that you might have felt due to any work politics or due to a bad market, because today we are going through a tough recession due so many reasons, and it might be really harder for you today to do something that you were able to do so much more easier earlier, and that
Yeah.
requires a lot more time and attention. That can be a little frustrating, really. However, getting and feeling frustrated is completely in your hand. Every thought that takes you low, very easy to zip out of it by just creating a better one. Just being very thankful that despite such a challenging situation, we
Yeah.
at least have our jobs, right? We're at least we at least get to do what we have to do in life. Number two, Archana, I like this very much, and that is there should never be any have tos in our lives. You have to do something to get rid of this have to attitude. I
Yeah.
have to do this. I would have loved not to do it, but it's so sad for money, for this and all. I have to. Now, that's a very negative thing. That would not make you happy. So be joyful about everything that you're doing. Say that this is something that I have opted for. It is such a beautiful environment being created for me. I used to crave to come back home, but today I'm in my comfortable home scenario, working from home, and that's so beautiful. All the time, have mercy on yourself. It is what you create, is what you experience. There is no one out there trying to bring you down or try to giving you a bad experience.
True.
No one, not even God. So if your thought doesn't trouble you, even God cannot come and trouble you. It is exactly what you want. So again, I would say, Archana, come from the space of giving. How much can I do today that I'm happy with myself? No running away. There is no running away. What is it? Now, again, one very small thing, Archana. Most of our minds get upset when we're not acknowledged at work, when our bosses don't acknowledge us, when our colleagues don't pat our back and say, hey, not bad, dude, you did a great job. Now, that brings us down a lot. Now, this is one very quick thing. Remember, you are being watched always. The cosmic inside you, around you, never makes a mistake. Mother Nature is flawless, it's perfect. So, all your activity is seen, all your energies are identified. All that you have created inside you is going to be coming back to you. So, the one whom you need to prove a point to is watching you. It's all getting registered. Your good will come searching back to you. Here,
Wow.
what is the good that we're talking about? We're talking about happiness, isn't it? So we get to experience happiness when I create the right seed. I sow the right seed, knowing very well what fruit am I going to eat at the end of it. There's no confusion there. You want happiness? Please sow the seed of a right thought. Sow the
Wow,
seed of
lovely.
giving. Yes.
I
Yes.
love it. I totally love it. I think you're very right. We need not feel compelled to do anything. The moment there is a compulsion, the have to, as you said, it just doesn't work. Be happy from within to do what you have come for, through your work, You are happy from within when you know what have you destined yourself for. You have destined yourself to grow in life. You have destined yourself to be successful in life. And that happens when you give. That happens when you're happy from within. That happens when you're creating that vibe, that aura of happiness, of positivity around you, that whatever you do is going to bring good results. And that is when you attract positive people, positive energies into you, and then you just don't complain about anything. I really loved it. I hope you really, really imbibe all of this into your workplace, in your relationships with your colleagues and your employers. Stay tuned because we are coming tomorrow to make you more and more happy. We will be talking about how you can feel happy, stay happy when things are slightly down and tricky. Stay tuned. Until then, stay happy and stay tuned for more.